Any website on the internet is vulnerable to data loss or any kind of security threat, especially when it is a new website. As a website owner, there are few scenarios where you can lose your data. Your website may get hacked, your data has been deleted from your hosting provider, or they have terminated your hosting account. If unfortunately any of these things happen to your website, it is always safe to create a backup of your website so that you can recreate your website without wasting a lot of time and working on your website from scratch. But unfortunately, in WordPress, there is no backup solution. What you can do is you can install a plugin called as Updraft to back up your website every day or once in a week. With the help of Updraft plugin, you can easily take a backup or schedule it. So let's say if something bad happens, then you can easily restore these backups and save your hassle from creating this website again. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to install Updraft plugin on your website. Once this is done, you can skip the setup wizard, go to settings and then click on Updraft plus backups. So let's say if you want to take a manual backup of your website, then you can click on the backup now button over here. If you want to schedule a backup, then you need to go to the settings over here. First, you need to choose backup schedule for your files. Files include your WordPress themes, plugins, images, and other uploads. After that, you need to select a backup schedule for your WordPress database. WordPress is a database-driven software. All your posts, pages, comments, website settings are stored in the database. Your backup schedule should be based on how often you add new content on your website. For example, if you add 2 blog posts each week, then you can select a fortnightly backup of files and weekly backup of database. The next, you need to choose where to store your backup files. It is a bad idea to save your backup files in the same location as your website. Losing your website means you will also lose the access of your backup files. This is why you need to choose a remote storage service to store your backups. Updraft allows you to save your backups to several cloud storage services including Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and many others. You can also send backups to an email address if you want. We will go ahead and click on the Dropbox to select it and then scroll down to the bottom and we will click on Save Changes. And here it will automatically give us an authorization link. So we will click on it and enter our Dropbox email ID and password. So I will sign in to my account and here it will ask me to access the permission for Updraft. So I will just click on Allow. From here, you can click on the complete setup button, or if it is not working, then you can just copy the URL and paste it on your website. So once the setup is done, you will see this screen. You can just click on complete setup button and that's it. Now whenever you are going to back up your website, it will automatically send to the Dropbox folder of yours. So let's say if you want to take a manual backup of your website, then you can just click on the backup now button and here you will click on backup now and it will automatically back up all your plugins, uploads, themes, etc. Once the data has been backed up, you will see all the files over here in the existing backups. If you want to download this backup in your local computer, what you can do is you can just click on it. I'm going to select database, plugins, themes, uploads, others. Once I click on it, you will see a progress bar over here. So what you need to do is you just need to click on download to your computer and it will automatically download the backup of your website to your computer. So if I click on the file, you will see the data has been downloaded. Now you have downloaded the backup of your website. So let's say something happened to your website and now you need to restore this backup. If you want to restore it, what you need to do is you need to click on upload backup files. And here you need to select the files of your WordPress. Here you are going to select your database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. Once that is done, you can click on the restore button, select the files you want to restore, click on next, and then click on the restore button. Once this is done, you have successfully restored your WordPress files. So you don't have to worry about anything else. So if you want to go for a free plugin which will automatically back up your website, then you should always go for Updraft. Its advanced tools will automatically help you to take backups frequently, as well as if you want to restore these backups, you can do it. And it ensures your website is safe and secure if worst thing happens.